Good afternoon from Waverley Abbey in sunny Surrey. It's a really nice day and we're going to check out the Abbey ruins, but apparently it's closed, so I'm going to see if I can get in and have a look, get some footage for you guys. Right, let's go. Right, there's obviously some works going on. I can see the ruins, but it's all fenced off, but I'm still going to fly. Right, that was a mission fail. I managed to get close to the ruins. It's all blocked off, but I was going to fly my drone anyway, but I got no GPS signal. So there's a couple of things I could have done, but I think I need to download the offline map or something. But instead I'm going to go down to the castle, which was the original plan. Good afternoon, we are at Portchester Castle down the south coast. So we're going to fly the drone over here, see what views we can get. But we don't want to go in there just yet. I need to find somewhere to launch this drone.
Take off. Home point updated.
So I got the filming done. Hope you like the footage. Just a little bonus point. I was walking back across there, and instead of climbing that little ledge over there, I thought I'd take the stairs. And then I stepped in there. My shoe's stuck in the mud. My trainer. It's there, and I can't get it. Because if I step to go and get it, I'm going to sink. What an idiot. Hiya. Yeah. You don't sell shoes or footwear by any chance?
No, afraid not.
Okay.
I would say main store with their shirts.
Yeah. I just lost mine in the mud by the yeah.
I don't think anywhere that would sell or would be open at this time.
Exactly. Sunday, isn't it? Past 4.
Yeah. No, I'm really sorry.
All right. Thanks a lot.
There you go.
Cheers. So it looks like an hour and 20 minutes home with one shoe because no stores are open. I'm screwed. Thanks for watching. Bye.